Hello guys, how are you doing today? In today's video, I want to talk about the difference between GNC and Beniseed. The difference between GNC and Beniseed. What is GNC? Just a groundnut cake. It's an ingredient used to add to fish feed to make the fish to make the fish do very well and to make your fish grow. And what is Beniseed? Beniseed is also an ingredient adding to or your fish feed to make your fish formulation balance. But how can you differentiate between Beniseed and GNC and the importance of the both? Which one is better and which one is not? So if you want to add GNC to your fish feed, I'm not saying Beniseed rather. I'm not saying Beniseed is not good, but between Beniseed and GNC, if you want your feed formulation to be okay, I prefer for you to use GNC than Beniseed. And how can you differentiate between the both? If you see the both, you will think that the both are the same, but they are not. Like I said, if you see the both, you will think that the both are the same, but they are not. GNC is kind of light in color, while for Beniseed they are very black. They are very black. But if you are not observant enough to notice the color or to have an idea of how a GNC looks like and how a Beniseed looks like, then I'm very sure that if you go to any feed meat company, they are going to confuse you for the both, and they are going to give you GNC instead of Beniseed. I'm going to give you Beniseed instead of GNC. They are going to miss it for you. I'm not saying the both are good, but the preferable one or the one that is very good in your fish feed is the GNC, not the Beniseed. But in a situation by when you don't have a GNC, then you can use your Beniseed, and the Beniseed is kind of very high than the GNC. So that is the difference between GNC and Beniseed, the color and their importance. GNC is very good because the protein content is very high, and for Beniseed the protein content is also high. But the preferable one for you to use in your fish feed is GNC. But in a situation by when you don't have a GNC, then you can use Beniseed. And like I told you, Beniseed is kind of very high than GNC, but the both are actually good if you have them. If you add them to your feed formulation, you will discover that your feed will be very good and you're going to love it. Here in Adota Farm, we talked about feed formulations. We talked about how you can start up some other livestock farm. And also some crop farming that you can do for you to gain to gain money from it, and also you can actually get some kind of product from them and consume them with your family. So here we talked about livestock generally. We talked about goat farming. We talked about chicken farming. We talked about grass cutter, snail, pig, and some other agriculture or some other livestock that is very important. Now we know that people are going into it. So if you want to start up any type of this livestock farming, reach out to me and I can give you some other information and some things that you need to put into consideration before starting up this farm. And as for fish also, we are here. We talked about fish feed formulation. We talked about how even though you want to start up your pond, we can come and help you to start up the pond. We can come and help you to start up your goat farm and some other livestock that is very important that we know that can fetch you money. So here in Adota, we talked about them and we want you guys to excel. That is our main purpose and our main goal. So whichever ideas or whichever things that we think that is very good for you, we are going to be dropping that video here for you guys to watch and for you to learn a lot from this YouTube channel. So please, if you haven't subscribed, turn the notification bell to be notified when next we drop a new video. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Bye for now.